Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare ancient Roman shrimp from the ninth book of De Re Cucinaria. We start with ingredients. We need shrimp, wine, garum, vinegar, honey, almonds and spices, black pepper, cumin and lovage, and aromatic herbs, mint and rue. First, we prepare the sauce. We grind the spices and the almonds in the mortar. Then we add the minced herbs and dilute with a little honey, garum, wine and vinegar. This recipe is part of a chapter dedicated to lobster, locusta in Latin, although the first recipe is for either lobster or shrimp. In any case, you can use the crustaceans you prefer, with an excellent result. The method is only for the sauce, without instructions on the preparation of the lobster. But other recipes recommend either boiling it or roasting it on the grill. The key to making this sauce is balance. Black pepper, cumin and lovage are a very spicy combination, so it is better to use them in moderation. For example, a pinch each. According to Pliny and Dioscorides, lovage was substituted with fennel, anise or cumin seeds. Rue has a peculiar flavor, slightly bitter, and can be difficult to substitute. If you don't have it, use another aromatic herb, such as parsley, thyme or oregano instead. The flavor will be different, but good anyway. Add just a little honey and the liquid ingredients in equal parts. We suggest 2 tablespoons each of garum, vinegar and wine. We substituted the pine nuts with almonds, because they serve the same function. They thicken the sauce and give it a nutty and rich flavor that balances the other ingredients. Garum instead can be substituted with a Southeast Asian fish sauce, muria or colatura di alici, or 2 pinches of salt. In the description below you find the links to the videos with the recipes for garum and muria. It is amazing how this kind of preparation has survived over time. A few months ago we prepared another shrimp recipe from a medieval cookbook, Anonimo Veneziano's Libro di Cucina, and it was very similar to this one, despite some cultural changes, such as the wide use of Eastern spices and the absence of garum in the medieval recipe. In that case, garum is replaced by the juice obtained from the shrimp heads, which gives the dish a delicious flavor. The basic ingredients, however, are similar: aromatic herbs, spices, thickeners, which in the case of Anonimo Veneziano are almonds, bread and egg yolks, a separate ingredient, and acidifiers, verjuice in the medieval recipe. We cook the shrimp briefly in an oiled pan and serve them with the sauce. To know more about ancient food, read our book Ancient Roman Cooking, which includes recipes and information about ingredients, sources, and methods of processing and preserving food in the antiquity, as well as descriptions of ancient meals and banquets. The full translations of De Re Cucinaria and Anonimo Veneziano's cookbook are available on our Patreon page, along with articles and other translations of historical sources. If you're interested in the use of herbs in historical cooking, check out early Italian recipes, vegetables, fruit, herbs and flowers. To learn about the transition between ancient and medieval cooking, read the Observazione Ciborum early medieval recipes at the court of the Franks. To know more about medieval cuisine, check out Libro della Cucina Medieval Tuscan Recipes and the Registrum Cuquine, a medieval cookbook. To support our work, you can also buy us a beer and purchase our merchandise. You can find all the links in the description below. This dish was amazing, intensely spicy and with a distinctive Mediterranean flavor, from the combination of lovage, cumin, mint and roux. It was a perfect second course for summer, quick and easy to prepare. We suggest pairing it with a salad, with chickpeas and green beans, or a cucumber salad. You find the links to the videos in the description below. If you're interested in ancient foods and flavors, subscribe our channel and consider supporting us on Patreon.